Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to exit out of the Viber app, and now let's dive right in. Now to exit out of the Viber app, first open up your Viber app. Now before we proceed guys, exiting out of the Viber app and signing out from the Viber app are totally different. We'll be exiting out of the Viber to disable any notifications coming into the Viber. So to do that, to exit out of the Viber, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there's the more button available for us. At the bottom right, tap on the more button, and over here guys you can see the settings option available for us. Just above my notes, tap on settings, and on this interface you can see the general option available for us. Just below the appearances, tap on general, and on this interface guys, at the bottom of the screen you can see there is the exit button available for us. Tap on exit, and you can see here it says exiting will limit your availability and you might not receive calls and messages on Viber. Tap on OK. By this way guys, you will have exited your Viber. And there guys, this is how to exit Viber app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.